Today we're transforming a sad, forgotten bread into a luxurious, golden brown, melt-in-your-mouth French toast. There's nothing better than the smell of cinnamon and vanilla filling your house on a cozy morning. This recipe is a total game changer. Grab your bread, remove the ends, and cut it into 1 to 1.5 inch slices. You can use almost any bread for this recipe, and it doesn't matter if it's pre-sliced. The only bread I wouldn't recommend is rye or pumpernickel. Now, in a shallow dish, add 1 cup of milk, 2 full eggs, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk this up until well combined. Next, place a large pan over a medium-low heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure to spread the melted butter evenly across the bottom. Now let's get cooking. One at a time, we'll dip each piece of bread into the custard mixture. Make sure to get both sides nice and soaked, then add it to your pan. I'm going to do this in 2 batches because not all the bread will fit on the first round. Be sure to add more butter if needed to the pan after your first batch is done. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. If you feel like the French toast is getting dark too fast, turn the heat all the way to low. Ooh la la! They're perfect, golden brown with buttery crisp edges. Top with some powdered sugar or pure maple syrup, and there you have it, a rich and comforting breakfast that's ready in no time. Let me know in the comments if you're team powdered sugar or maple syrup. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!